I had some yogurt that was about to go bad, so I decided to use it in a marinade for chicken, and I seasoned it with paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and I believe that is all, and let it sit for 24 hours in the fridge. You could do it for less, and now I'm going to heat it up, and I'm using beef tallow. So after this, I will be putting it in a salad, chopping it up of course, with arugula, avocado, and we'll see what else I have on hand. My pan is on medium, and we really want the chicken to sizzle when it hits the pan, so what we're gonna do is sprinkle a dash of water, and I just wet my fingers for a little bit, and the way it pops lets us know that it's ready. Bada bing, bada boom. We love to hear that. And we don't want to touch the pan too much. So we have some seasoning that's not 100% even, but we'll do our best.
Assembly time. Final product.